everyone, good morning also my friend from Zimbabwe. Today to have my tutorial here, and I would like to share the tips and ideas which I used within this instrumental. I did this instrumental yesterday and I decided to share with you the ideas and the creativity I used within this instrumental. So these types of beat is mostly made there in Zimbabwe with one of the famous singers who is called the MATHIAS MHERE. I like his music so much. I listened his music so much. So guys, there are a lot of people who live there. They asked me to do these types of beat. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I have a lot of stuff to share with you. So without talking too much, I always start with the drums and after the drums we will see the melodies, and I will reveal little secrets for you to keep in mind and apply for your beats whenever you are making them. So let us start with the drums. Okay, here they are the rhythm. This is a rhythm. I use the kick, the shaker, and the cow, and the hi-hat, and the clap. Let us play to hear how they sound. It's very simple. After I drew the rhythms, I came here to draw the strings. As you know, I always say in my tutorials for you to take advantage of drawing strings in your beat, because they complete the empty spaces. For example, if you see here, there are a lot of small spaces. You see, these are the small spaces. So if you export like this your beat, it will sound like it lacks melody, you see. But if you draw the strings will complete the empty spaces, and your beat will be fine. So let us play the strings to see how to hear how they sound. Okay, after the strings, I had to come here up here to draw another melody. I chose NN Zenove, and all of the plugins that I will be using here, they are free plugins. Nothing to worry about downloading. Just use your idea, your creativity, and everything will be okay. And I use the organ perk for this melody here. Okay, after this melody, I had to draw another melody here. Just pay attention to how they sound. This is a bass. It gives the hardness of the beat. All the beats that you will be making, just draw the bass, the strings, and the kicks. They are fundamental. They never lack in the beat. So after the bass guitar, I had to draw another melody here. I used the marimba, and I had to make some changes here. As you see, he's a marimba, so I had to make some changes to play in other way. So after this, I had to play another melody here. I chose the subtractor, and I chose one of the preset which is called the Milo. After this, I chose Tore. I chose the preset which is called the kick bass, and I drew this melody here. And I coordinated with this melody. As if you hear this melody here, it will be answered with this melody. So you just pay attention to how this coordination is going. So guys, guys, this was the tutorial of today's video. I didn't put a lot of things, as I say in my tutorials. For example, for you to make a good beat, it is not you are not obliged to put a lot of things. No, just put the essential things. We know that we take our creativity from our mind to put in our beats, but sometimes there are other things that we must ignore. They are not important. Just put the essential things. And here I had to make some changes to make it sound better. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want this project, I will send for you to see yourself how I made it. If you want to add something else here and send back for me, it's up for you. What I wanted for you to know is that this type of beat, it doesn't need a lot of things. You see, it is Mathias MHERE, he sings gospel music, and the gospel music doesn't require a lot of drums, something very aggressive. No. So bye. I will see you in the next tutorial. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, my friend.